Carb rebuilt. About to leave, like 45 minutes for my trip. I wanted to pull the car into the garage because I think it's supposed to rain. I didn't want it leaking in the back, and then I get back a full day before my wife and daughter. So I wanted to try and knock out the back window as much as I can, maybe all of it, when I get back that night and then the next day. But Carb's rebuilt, put it in place. Had an issue, 8A line. You see over there now, I just got a regular 3/8 hose or whatever to the old fuel line. That 8A going in was just overwhelming the floats. So let's see what she does. I might have to adjust the idle and the idle air fuel, but a little fuel in there. There we go. It's sitting. 2 pumps. 2 pump jump. Come on, girl. There we go. Battery's low. Only gauge I have hooked up right now is the tach. Yeah, I'd land it at about 850. It's too low. So just that air fuel. Idle air fuel, I should say. But let's listen to it first. Oh man, you heard that? You heard every load with that can. Looks like my fuel pump's leaking from where I took it apart. So I guess I'm gonna have to buy that gasket I was trying not to. Trying to adjust that. Ooh, look at that vacuum. What we can add here. Oh yeah. He's jumping. That was a full turn. To the left. About 12 degrees of vacuum roughly. Not bad. I'll add a half. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Maybe we'll back her up and see what she thinks. Maybe pull her in the garage like the plan was. Let's see. Screwdriver's gonna stay with me though. Whole goal was to get her in the garage. I think we're gonna be able to do that.